Hello and welcome to LHS How To. Today we're going to learn how to put together a XPS Dell Dimension. First, we're going to put in the processor into the motherboard. And the motherboard's purpose is to connect all the computer's components and make it work. The gray paste on it is thermal paste, and it helps it keep it from overheating. Next, we're going to lock this down. Next, we're going to put the motherboard in, and this motherboard only goes to this case as far as I know. Using this tool, a nut driver, we're going to put these screws into the motherboard and secure it. We're going to put in this heatsink mount into the motherboard above the processor. Next, we're going to put in the heatsink, which displaces the heat away from the processor. We're going to put in more heatsink support. Next, I'm going to plug in every cable that I can. Next, we're going to put in the PCI cards. The graphics card, the audio card, and these two others. Next, we're going to put in a floppy drive, a DVD drive, and a disk drive, and finally the hard drive. Next, we're going to plug in the DVD and disk drive and floppy drive and hard drive into the motherboard. Next, we're going to put in this graphics card support so it won't fall over. Yeah, apparently. Okay. Next. Okay. I'll wait. Next, we're gonna put in these fans. This one goes right above the heat sink, and this fan goes right above the PCI cards, and this is just a cover that goes over the hard drive. Next, we're going to close the case.